Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 3.4 Story Time Nina's Dream from our English Bal Bharati textbook Standard 2. So my dear students, take out your textbook fast and listen it carefully, okay? Listen and repeat. Nina was a little girl. She lived in a small village near Diveagar in Konkan. Her parents worked in the field. Her village was near the sea. Her brother went to the grassland to graze their cattle. The older girls from her lane went to bring firewood from the forest. Nina sat under a mango tree and watched the birds, butterflies, and clouds. She too wanted to fly like them. When she saw fishes in the sea, she wanted to swim. When she saw the sea, she wanted to cross it and see what is there on the other side. After dinner, when everyone slept in the front yard, she saw the moon, the stars, and wanted to touch them. When her mother heard her wishes, she smiled and said, "Girls cannot do all these things." Nina felt, "Will my wishes ever come true?" One day, a smart lady came to their village. She had a bag, some books, and a purse on her shoulder. Nina ran to her and asked, "Who are you? Are you going to live in our village?" The lady smiled and said, "Yes, I am Rutuja. I am going to live in your village. We are going to start an activity center here for the little girls like you. I also lived and went to school in a small village like this." Nina was happy. She held Rutuja's hand and took her home. She offered her some tea and laddus. Rutuja said, "Thank you, Nina. I am a pilot, but I have left the job because I want to teach different things to the little girls from villages." "A pilot? Really?" Nina was jumping with joy. "See, mother, girls can fly." Rutuja smiled and said, "They can sail across the ocean too." Mother too was very happy. Nina ran out to tell everyone about the new activity center. So dear students, I hope you understand this story. Everyone have to read this story one time, okay? Let's we see some hard words from this story. Graze, cattle, firewood, butterflies, purse, activity, offered, ocean. Everyone have to write these all words 5 times in your notebook, okay? Read and write the following words and their meanings. To graze, to feed on grass. Cattle, large farm animals like cows and buffaloes, etc. Activity center, a place where various activities take place. Ocean, sea. Let's we complete our textbook writing work. Complete the following sentences by using the words and phrases given in the box. 1. Nina was a little girl. Then second, Nina lived in a village. Then third, her parents worked in the field. Her brother went to the grassland to graze their cattle. The older girls went to the forest to bring firewood. One day a smart lady came to their village. The smart lady was a pilot. Then the next question, find the opposite words of the following from the story. Far, near. Back, front. Younger, older. Big, small. False, true. Sad, happy. Now let's we take our workbook writing assignment. Listen to your teacher. Number the sentences in the correct order. Nina sat under a mango tree. So this is the first sentence. So we have to write number 1 in the circle. Then she watched the birds, butterflies and clouds. This is the second sentence, so we have to give the number 2 in the circle. Then she wanted to fly. This is the third sentence, so we have to write the number 3 in the circle. Then she saw fish in the sea. This is the fourth sentence, so we have to write number 4 in the circle. Then she wanted to swim. This is the fifth sentence, so we have to write number 5 in the circle. Then she saw the moon and stars. This is the sixth sentence, so we have to write number 6 in the circle. Then she wanted to touch them. This is the seventh sentence, so we have to write number 7 in the circle. Then question number 3. Read the following sentences. Circle the correct option in each case. A. Nina's brother went to the grassland to graze the cows / cattle. So here it is, the cattle option is correct. So we have to circle the cattle. B. The older girls went to the market / forest to get firewood. So here it is, the forest option is correct. So we have to circle the forest. And C. Nina wanted to cross the river / sea. So here it is, the C option is correct. So we have to circle the C. Then D. A smart / old lady came to Nina's village. So here it is, the smart option is the correct. So we have to circle the smart. Then E. The lady was a pilot / driver. So here it is, the pilot option is correct option. So we have to circle the pilot option. Question number 4. Rewrite the following sentences by replacing the underlined words with their opposites. First sentence is, there was a small mango tree in the forest. So the answer is, there was a big mango tree in the forest. Then next, her house is far from the river. So the answer is, her house is near the river. Then C. The boys were helping the younger men. So the opposite word of younger is older. So the correct answer is, the boys were helping the older men. Then next, every night the boy took the cattle to the meadows. So the correct answer is, every day the boy took the cattle to the meadows. Then E. Nina's mother was sad to meet Rutuja. So the opposite word of sad is happy. So the correct answer is, Nina's mother was happy to meet Rutuja. Here it is, this lesson is completed. Everyone have to complete this in your workbook and notebook, okay?